Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 16, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayon June 16, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, June 16, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 16, 2024, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 62.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 137 million pesos for Sunday, June 16, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of June 16, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.